Hey y'all, so we are here today to show you how you can use Canva and Payhip to create a stand store or Beacons lookalike website. Now the purpose of doing this is, number one, to give those an opportunity to get your product visible without having to pay a monthly cost. So both of the platforms, Canva and Payhip, do not require a monthly cost. Of course, like anything, to get the best out of each one of those platforms, they do offer paid plans that are available. But you do not have to have a paid plan in order to do what I'm going to show you. Another reason for doing this is to kind of give you that customizable freedom that kind of stands out from everybody else. I don't know if you're like me. Every stand store that I go to, every Beacon store that I go to, like everybody's store looks the same. And I'm one of those type of people that I don't like to look the same as everybody else. I want that pizzazz. Like, I need that pizzazz. So like, these are a couple of my stores. And as you see, like, I need pizzazz. Like, that's what I do, pizzazz. And so that's why I went this route, because I want to be able to stand down. I want to be able to fully customize my store, highlighting. And these that are on my store, these are not all the products that I have. These are just me highlighting some of my top products. And so I created this template because I wanted to be able to have a different look. I wanted to be able to jazz up my little store again. And so I'm going to show you guys how to use that. So before we get into the how we connect everything, I need to make sure that everyone understands that this is not a course on how to use Canva, and this is not a course on how to use Payhip. If you need those courses, let your mentor know, and we can work together to try to coordinate and get those classes for you. But this is not a how to use it. So I will not be going through steps on how to set it up, how to get this to do this, how to do that. I'm strictly showing you how to create a product inside of Payhip and connect it into Canva. And this is going to be based on using a template, this particular template. If you are wanting to create your own template or something like that, you'll have to find another course for that. This particular thing that I'm showing you today is not a course on how to do that. And so I'm also approaching this as if you already have product. I'm not going to be showing you how to create product, how to set up your product for downloading. That is a different class. This is strictly showing you if you already have products, how to set up a PayPal. We're not doing PayPal. How to set up a Payhip account. Not even how to set it up, but how to add items to Payhip, connect them to Canva. All right, so this is what it looks like inside of the Canva link in bio template. You have total freedom to go in and change everything. You will want to go in and change your welcome. You want to make sure that this is specific to your business, and then you'll change your product, a brief product description for each of your products that you have. You want to make sure that you add your prices, different things like that. So once we get the product in Payhip, we'll come and actually we'll edit this so you can see how it's done. These links, you want to make sure that you adjust these links to your particular social media platforms. So that way, when your site is live and your customers click on the links, they'll go to your social media pages. And so this is Payhip. This is what Payhip looks like. Once you set up your Payhip account, it'll take you to a dashboard. It'll ask you to kind of add your first product. It'll walk you through how to add your first product. And so this is what it looks like. We have a product in here already. This is what it looks like when you have at least one product in. And so what we'll do is I'll show you how to add products in Payhip, and then I'll show you how we'll connect those products into Canva. Okay, so inside of Payhip, at the top toolbar, you will see products, or inside of the dashboard, you'll see manage products. Either one of them will take you to the products page. Once you're in the products page, you want to click add new product. As you can see, there are many different products that you can use Payhip for, but today we are doing digital product. Once you select digital product, you will want to upload your product file. Now this is the product itself or a PDF download that will have the link to the product. Whatever your product is, however your customer gets your product, this is what you want to upload here. So for now, we're going to go ahead and upload the download link here. We're going to set our title here. Of course, you're going to want to make sure that you are using SEO optimized product titles and descriptions here, but for training purposes, we just throwing in some stuff here. And then you want to set your price, and then you want to upload whatever product images that you have to upload. Once you have that there, you're going to want to put in your description. I'm just going to pull up a ChatGPT description that I had it right. I'm going to copy and paste it. I do highly recommend that you read over. If you're using ChatGPT, make sure you're reading over. Make sure that the descriptions, the products have your tone, represent your business. And then if you need to make any edits, please go in and make those edits here. We want to make sure that this is visible so that everyone can see our product, and then we're going to add the product. This is what we are going to use to connect inside of Canva, this product page link. This is what we want. Once we get that product page link, we are going to go over into Canva, and we are going to add that link to the Canva button. Like so. So when your customers click on that link, it will open up that product page. If you you can click here, so it'll show you what it will look like to your customers. And so this is what your customers will see once they click on that link from your Canva bio. And so you are going to want to follow this step for all the products that you have that you'll be adding to your Canva template. And so we're just going to quickly add our second product here. Canva, and we're going to add our second link here. And then we are going to go back because we had a third product that was already added. We're just going to go to share, and we're going to grab that link for that particular product. And so now we have all three of our products linked into our Canva template. And so this is where we would come and we would make edits to our description. This particular one says download for free. This could be for a free product, but if you have all three products, of course we'll want to update this to say buy now. And then you can just copy the little icon here, copy and paste it so where it also has that icon for that particular item as well. This free download though, it works the same in Payhip. So if you have a item that you want to offer as a free download, so let's just say this baby shower invitation, we decide to change it to well, let's do this one just because. So let's just say if we decided to change this to a free product, we will just change the price to 0, and now it becomes a free download. And so in Canva you could leave this as a free download, and so when customers go to it, it'll be free. So I'm going to leave it as a free download just so I can show you guys kind of what that looks like. So once you make your edits and you update your description, you can use whatever you would like for it to say. You can it's yours. You can customize it however you want. So whatever you want it to say, you do that. You just want to make sure that you change out your images. So we just changed out that image there. We're going to change out that image. Actually, that didn't work out well. Instead of using the placeholders, if you want to just drag and drop and add the item and adjust it, you can absolutely do that as well. So this is our image for that one. This is our image for our free template, our free invitation, and we'll delete that. And this is the image for our princess template here. And this is Canva, so you can set this up however you choose, whatever works for you. If you want to have both of those displayed there, you can do so like that. Whatever works, however you want to set it up, that's what you can do. And then you'll just make sure to change your descriptions. You'll change your price here and here. These are additional links. So if you have a full website that you want to use, or if you have another website or something else that you want to add, or if you have affiliate links here, you would just type in the name of your website or and then you would just set your link to that website just like that, like so. We're just going to do a test. I hope that's a website. I don't even know. We'll see in a minute. Anyways, and so that's how you set up your links to your websites there. You're going to make sure you change whatever your business name is here. And then if you have a logo, you want to change it here. Or if you have a picture or image that you would like of yourself, you could always just add an image here. Let's see. And so then what we'll do is we'll take a preview of this, and this is what it will look like on the website. This is what it will look like on the desktop view, and this is what it would look like on the mobile view. And I do want to show you guys, because I want you to see how you can change the colors to really whatever your color scheme is, whatever works for you. So if we wanted to change that, we want to change this to yellow, or let's do some other colors. So let's pick a style here. We'll go with that. So you can click on a combination and it can automatically change your colors automatically. Like, that's how easy it is to update and change the colors here. And you can play around with them. There's a lot of, Canva has a lot of different combinations that you can go in and play around with. Or you can go in and actually manually change those colors. So say, like, I just don't like this background, I want this background green, or whatever color, whatever. You can easily change the colors. You can change the buttons. When you go and edit dual tone, you can select whatever colors that you want, and it'll automatically change. So I know I'm not supposed to show you, I'm not here to show you guys that, but I wanted to make sure that you guys could see how customizable this particular template is, if it was something that you wanted to get to be able to create your store. So once you have everything set up, you have all of your links linked in, I recommend to preview it just often, just to make sure that everything stays aligned. Sometimes you may have to adjust the alignment of it. So like this, the words for this button is shifted up, so I want to fix that, right? So I actually would want to call this buy now. And make the adjustment here. So now when I go back to preview it, it looks a little bit better for me. Say you don't like the color of, that's what happens when they click. So that's what your customers will see when they click on it. I didn't mean to do that, but that works. It'll pull up your actual product. They can go in and actually download it to proceed. But that's not what I wanted to do. So let's go back. I want to close that, and so I just want to change the colors of the wording here to kind of match with everything else. And so now my store is now ready for me to go in and actually publish. And so to publish your store, you want to hit publish website. You're going to select the website URL. PayPal allows you up to 5 domains, so you can use your own domain, or if you want to use the Canva domain, the free domain that Canva offers, you would select that domain. So once you set it up, you connect the domain, you just hit publish website, and it'll go live. And so I'm going to show you what it looks like live. So we'll click visit website, and now website is live. This is what it looks like on the desktop view. When customers click the download free, that's where it takes them. They click this one for buy now, it takes them to this product. And when they click there, it takes them to that product. And any links that you set up here, it'll take them to that product as well. Oh, it works. That's my mentor, y'all, but she's awesome. Now you can absolutely go in and add more products if you choose to. The template is going to have the space for 3, but you can absolutely add more. You kind of just would drag your web page down a little bit. I am a copy and paste girl, so I will copy, and then I will just kind of paste another product here. And then once you update your product pictures and information, you would go and just republish your website again, but you can always preview it, and now you can see the additional product there. I'm not sure why the picture isn't coming up, but now you have 4 products here instead of just the 3, and you can continue to duplicate that for as much as you need to. So as you can see on let me pull up one of my sites. On my site, I have quite a few products, and you can lay them out however you choose to lay them out, whatever you feel like that works best for you. And then when I go to preview, I have all of my products there. Yeah. So that is pretty much it in a nutshell. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and we can kind of help you with any questions inside of the group.